Hello everybody and welcome to Mibosin channel. In this video I'll be showing you friends on how you can remove the Windows 11 Vision watermark on the right corner on your desktop. To remove the watermark we are simply going to use the universal watermark disable. So I've put the link on the description where you can just go and download the software. So right now I'm going to download the software. After downloading the software, I'm going now to start the software. So I'm going to open it. And you can see the pop-up on your screen. So you are going to try to click install. You are recommended to save your work before doing this action because you are going to sign out for a while. So I'm going to click yes. And yes. So after clicking install, you can see that the watermark is removed. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.